Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in. This is your host, Pran CEO here at Gen Z Marketing. Here's a scenario. Remember the good old days when you need a plumber, you can scroll to the phone book, or when you need a lawyer, oh, there's a billboard. John Aman, the finest lawyer in Toronto. Or how about when you just chip your tooth? There's a TV commercial with the best dentist in the Toronto area. Well, I have no clue about these times, since I'm as old as Google. The only time I've used a phone book is to throw in the recycling bin. The internet to me is the greatest gift to humanity. I'm sorry, but billboards, phone books, and TV commercials are archaic marketing techniques. In their prime, they had shitty ROI, and now in a dying industry where digital marketing is and will be king, it's just a waste of money. Nowadays, if you need a lawyer, dentist, plumber, contractor, any service, you name it, you're searching on the search engines or Google, for example, and boom, a list of lawyers, dentists, contractors, plumbers show up. You're probably watching this video because you're searching for terms like internet marketing or digital marketing in your city, like internet marketing in Toronto. No, I'm not a magician, even though we have one as a client. So if you need one for your next corporate event, let me know. I can make the intro. Internet marketing isn't magic either. SEO and PPC, the search engine kings, are both very data driven and can be manipulated to produce higher ROI. Social media marketing and other lead gen techniques are a mixture between old creative ads, poster ads, and a new modern data-driven style of marketing. You ever notice how ads follow you from YouTube to Facebook to Instagram or Google even sometimes? That, ladies and gentlemen, is the beauty of internet marketing. You're getting retargeting. That's what it's called, retargeting. So leave a like and comment below if you enjoyed this video, and check out our Art of SEO playlist where we compared the traditional and digital marketing techniques and more. And cheers. See you in the next video.